Hi, this is Anne, and this is a demonstration of LifeNode OS for Google OAuth verification. LifeNode OS is a life and work orchestration web app at lifenodeos.com. Project name LifeNode OS, project number 593653633345. We only request the minimum Google scopes needed for production user facing features: Google Calendar read and event create, and Gmail read, modify, and send. We are not requesting full calendar access, Google Docs, or full drive access. Our privacy policy, including Google API data access, use sharing retention, and limited use compliance, is at leftnodeos.com/privacy. I will open that section at the end. I will now sign in and connect each integration, expand the consent scopes so they are fully visible, then show the features working inside LifeNode OS and confirming the same change in the Google account. So as you can see, I'm now on the landing homepage of LifeNode OS, wherein I can just go ahead and sign in. So first, I sign into LifeNode OS. Google sign in here is only for identity. Calendar and Gmail access are separate OAuth connects that request the scopes under review. And now I am choosing this account that I have, which is Marin Custudio. Okay, and on this one, so right after I signed in, I will go ahead and open the calendar at lifenodeos.com slash calendar and click connect Google Calendar. So I'm currently inside of this uh, onboarding page wherein I need to just click enter and enter, since this is just a demo video. Okay, so here's my calendar. I'll go ahead and connect my calendar right now. So on the Google consent screen, I will expand all services so every scope is readable. So these are the scopes, and right here for calendar, we request two scopes. First, calendar read only, see and download calendar data. We use this to sync and display the user's existing Google Calendar events inside LifeNode OS, so meetings appear with their task in one daily workspace. Second, calendar events. View and edit events on calendars. We use this so that when the user creates or schedules a meeting or time block in LeftNode OS, the app writes that event into their Google Calendar. Narrower read only cannot create events. We do not need the full calendar scope because we do not administer sharing of entire calendars or permanently delete calendars. So here I'll just go ahead and continue and approve access. And now, as you can see, my calendar is now connected. So since it is now connected, all of my appointments are now synced. It is now synced in. And so here, I will go ahead and refresh the calendar so reviewers can see existing events appear in the app. And one thing I'm gonna do is I will go ahead and demonstrate calendar events right back. In LifeNode OS, I'll create a schedule a new event. For example, a short meeting titled LifeNode OAuth demo. So this is the one that I created early on, but I will just go ahead and recreate another one, and I will synchronize this to make sure that it is also showing here. All right, so it clearly sync the appointment or that event, that date for July, um, that's 5th. So I input that right here, July 5th. Okay, and so that's what I did. I switched to Google Calendar in the same Google account. The new event appears here. So here it appears here when I input the information here, the appointment. And yeah, that shows the change triggered in the app. It reflected in the user's Google account. LifeNode OS only creates events. The user initiates. We do not modify calendar silently in the background without that action. And the next thing I'll do is for the Gmail OAuth. So I'll go ahead and open inbox lifenodeos.com slash inbox and connect Gmail. So this is the Gmail. I'll now go ahead and connect it here. So again, I will go ahead and expand the consent screen so all scopes are fully visible. So I'll just click continue, and here is it. These are the five services I requested or we requested. And this Gmail related scopes are Gmail read only, view, email messages, and settings used to power inbox, securely read message metadata and content so the user can monitor and read an important mail inside LiveNode OS without leaving the dashboard. This is our email reporting and monitoring feature. Next is Gmail modify, read, compose related label updates, and manage messages as allowed by the scope. In LifeNode OS, the user can archive processed messages and mark messages, read or unread from their central inbox. We use Modify for those user initiated label changes. We do not use this demo to permanently delete mail from Gmail. And another one is Gmail send email on your behalf required so the user can compose and reply from inbox. And the message is sent through their Gmail account. We only send when the user explicitly sends or replies. This is not cold outreach or email warming. And the last one is user info email, used only to identify which Google account was connected. So I'll just go ahead and uh, okay, I'll go ahead and continue, and I'll approve the access also. Okay, so it's currently loading. All right, so right now I will go ahead and synchronize it again to make sure that all of the inbox or emails the coming from the business people will synchronize. And I just received an email here from Security Alert. And the next thing that I will show you is yeah, I will go ahead and show you that right now messages sync into LifeNode OS inbox. I'll open a message so reviewers can see read only content displayed in the app. Okay, and so right here, for modifying, for Gmail modify, I will archive this message from LifeNode OS inbox. So that's it. Okay, and so you can see on my screen that right there, for the in Gmail, the message is no longer in the inbox or is marked read, matching the action I took in the app. So the user's Google account reflects in the change. And the other one is Gmail send a reply. Uh, I will go ahead and compose a message right here for myself to support at los dot lifenodos.com. Subject, thank you for this service. Okay, so there I was able to send an email, compose and send an email. So for the Gmail, it must be sent already. So that demonstrates send permission used only for user initiated email productivity inside LeftNode OS. Okay, and the next one is I will go ahead and show you the privacy policy at lifenodeos.com privacy documents. Google API data access, use transfer protection, retention, and deletion. So let me just check in here. Okay, so here is my privacy policy under lifenodeos.com. And with that one, if you are reading the policy right now, that for the uh, section, we'll go ahead and go to section 6.6, and it states right there, uh, under the limited use and AI ML, that that it states there are limited use compliance. The use of raw or derived user data received from Google APIs will adhere to the Google API Services User Data Policy, including the limited use requirements. So we do not sell Google user data. We do not use Gmail or calendar data for ads. We do not use Workspace API data to train generalized AI models. Users can disconnect integrations in LifeNode OS and revoke access in Google account permissions. And to summarize, the LifeNode OS uses calendar read only and calendar events for calendar sync and user initiated event creation, Gmail read only, Gmail modify, and Gmail uh, send for inbox monitoring, archive, and user initiated send reply. Scopes match production and Cloud Console publishing status remains in production. Thank you so much.